In poultry farms, water is not just for drinking. It can also be a major route for disease transmission. That's why the drinking water system is often one of the most overlooked yet critical parts of flock health. If a bacteria, viruses, or biofilm enter the water, it can affect flock health performance and overall profitability. Traditional chemical disinfection is common, but it may leave residues, create odor, or require more handling. UV disinfection offers a chemical-free, residue-free, and continuous inline water treatment solution. UV water treatment systems use UVC light to damage microbial DNA and RNA, stopping them from reproducing. It can be installed at the main water inlet, branch lines, or even at the endpoint drinkers for layered protection. For poultry farms that need a stable, high hygiene water supply, it is an efficient and low maintenance option.